Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Poco F6 smartphone with us. So in this video we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs, display and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the huge Poco and F6 branding. The variant we got here comes with 12GB RAM, 512GB storage and the color variant is titanium. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got some quick start guide, user manuals, etc. There is a case for the back panel and here is the SIM card tray ejector pin. Here is our Poco F6 in titanium color, a 90-watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of Poco F6, the smartphone, case, quick start guide, user manuals, 90-watt charger, USB Type-C cable and the SIM card tray ejector pin. So here on the packaging you can see we have some of the hardware specs of the Poco F6 that it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 processor. We got a Crystal Rays 120Hz Flow AMOLED display, 90-watt turbocharging and 50-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization. So here is our Poco F6 in titanium color and the very first thing I'm noticing is that how lightweight it feels. So I'm going to switch on the device and after that we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our Poco F6 we got here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Poco F6. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side we got a 6.67-inch display with 94% screen to body ratio. So as you can see, the bezels are extremely thin. The side bezels are minimal and the same goes with the top bezel as well. This is one of the thinnest top bezel I have ever seen. The bottom bezel is comparatively thicker but still very negligible and slim. And because of that you get an immersive viewing experience on Poco F6. At the top center of the display you will find this punch hole where you will find the front facing camera, but if you use this default wallpaper on your Poco F6 then even the camera module gets hidden and it contributes in the immersive viewing experience. Right above the camera there is a very tiny slit for the earpiece. At the top you will find the speaker grill, IR blaster, a microphone and at the bottom there is speaker grill, USB Type-C port, microphone and the SIM card tray slot. And the Poco F6 does not come with memory card slot. On the left side there is nothing provided and on the right side we got the volume keys as well as the power button. The frame is pretty flat but the edge of the display is slightly curved where it merges with the frame. On the back we got the Poco branding, some regulatory information and then we got this 50-megapixel OIS branding and the rings for the camera lenses and the LED flash. As you can see, it does not come with a camera island and because of that the design of Poco F6 is very minimalistic and looks quite premium, especially in this titanium color variant that comes with this nice shiny glittering effect at some particular angles when light falls on it. The edges of the back panel are slightly curved on all four edges and because of that it feels good while holding the device in hand and provides a nice grip as well. The frame is just 8 mm thick and it weighs 179 grams and this is the reason that it feels so light in hand and pretty comfortable as well. And because of the massive screen to body ratio you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue. The back panel and the frame is made of plastic but the display of Poco F6 is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The device is also IP64 water and dust resistant, so the overall build quality is pretty solid of Poco F6 and the design looks beautiful and premium from every angle, especially the huge 94% screen to body ratio is very impressive. Now talking about the display, the Poco F6 is the first Poco smartphone that comes with a 1.5K crystal raised display. What we got here is a 6.67 inch 1.5K AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, 2160Hz touch sampling rate, 68 billion color reproduction, and support for Dolby Vision as well as HDR10+. It comes with support for 100% of DCI-P3 color gamut, and because of the display of Poco F6 is just super gorgeous. It's extremely sharp, the colors are very saturated, very vibrant and pleasant, and because of the very high PPI, even if I bring the camera so close to the display, you won't see any pixelation. Because of the huge screen to body ratio, you will get an immersive viewing experience on the display of Poco F6 whether you are playing games or watching movies, and it also comes with TUV Rhineland low blue light certification along with 1920Hz PWM dimming. The lowest brightness can go very low, and because of that you won't face any issue while using the device in low light situation. And talking about the brightness level, when it comes to typical brightness, it can go as high as 500 nits. In the high brightness mode, it can go up to 1200 nits, and the maximum peak brightness can go 2400 nits on the display of Poco F6. So you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors, as you can see here. And at 120Hz refresh rate, the display is super smooth, as you can see. It also comes with some advanced features like AI image engine, where you will find super resolution and AI HDR enhancement that enhances the videos for a better viewing experience on your Poco F6. Talking about the hardware, the Poco F6 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor along with Adreno 735 GPU. It comes with the Wild Boost Optimization 3.0 and the Liquid Cool Technology 4.0 with Ice Loop. So the gaming experience is expected to be pretty good on the Poco F6. We will see how good it's going to be in our upcoming gaming review of the Poco F6. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. We got 12GB RAM, and it also comes with memory extension feature that increases the RAM up to 8GB more virtually. We got 512GB storage, out of which nearly 30GB is preoccupied, so you will get around 498GB user available storage on the 512GB storage version. Talking about the software, it comes with Android 14 with Xiaomi HyperOS on top of it. As we have seen earlier, the Xiaomi HyperOS or the Xiaomi MIUI as well is pretty feature rich when it comes to options for Xiaomi, Poco and Redmi smartphones, and the same goes with the Poco F6 as well. As you can see, it comes with plenty of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity as well as do various customization on your device. The user interface is pretty smooth, as we have seen. It comes with plenty of HyperOS applications like the Gallery, Get Apps, Mi Browser, Game Center, Mi Video, etc. along with all of the Google applications. And here you can see that it comes with some bloatware as well, like the Netflix, and we got more of them here in the More Apps section as well as in the games. But the good part is that if you do not want to use any of these applications on your Poco F6, then you can easily uninstall them. So this is quite nice that Poco is providing the option to uninstall all of these third-party bloatwares that we got here on Poco F6. Talking about the camera, we got a 20 megapixel front facing camera, and on the back we got a 50 megapixel primary camera with face detection, autofocus, optical image stabilization with Sony IMX882 sensor, and then we got an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. So as you can see, there is no dedicated telephoto lens provided or the pretty useless depth sensor on Poco F6. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with 2x toggle. It's going to be purely digital. We got wide angle mode as well. Here you can see that it comes with HDR mode. We got the AI camera timer, we got shutter type, motion tracking focus, tilt shift, assist cam, watermark and timed burst as well. And then here in the user interface you can see that we got the video mode. It is capable of recording 4K resolution videos up to 60 fps from the rear camera. Then we got the document mode, we got the pro mode, that is the manual control for the photography, we got the portrait mode, that is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. You can even manually control the depth of field. And then we got the dedicated night mode, and if you go to more, here you can see that it comes with 50 megapixel imaging mode. We got panorama, short film, slow motion, time lapse, long exposure as well. So in terms of camera features, Poco F6 is looking pretty feature rich, but here I just wanted to give you a quick idea about all of the options, settings and the features we got here. We will see how good it's going to be in real life performance in our upcoming videos. So once again, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. So at the first glance, the Poco F6 is looking a pretty solid smartphone in every aspect. The design and build quality is really good. Comes with Gorilla Glass Victus protection, IP64 water and dust resistant. The display is just beautiful with great clarity, huge brightness and extreme screen to body ratio. We got 5000 mAh battery with 90 watt charging, a stereo speaker setup, IR blaster and a feature rich camera setup. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Poco F6 are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.